Welcome to TAGOJA Marketplace. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to register as a vendor and connect your dropshipping account to start importing products. Click Login and continue with your Google account. Registration only takes a few seconds. After signing in, click Become a Vendor and complete the vendor application form. Submit your application and wait for approval. Once approved by the administrator, your vendor account will be activated automatically. You can now access the vendor dashboard. Complete your vendor information and save. From the vendor dashboard, click Add Items. You can manually create and manage your own product listings at any time. To import products from CJ Dropshipping, click Store Import and select CJ Dropshipping. Sign in to CJ Dropshipping using your Google account. Click My CJ on the top menu bar. From the left menu, go to Apps and click Install Apps. When the pop-up appears, scroll down and select API under Others. Now, you can see API on the left menu bar. Click Add API to generate a new API key. Copy the generated API key. Return to TAGOJA Marketplace. Paste the API key into the CJ API Key field and click Connect CJ Account. Click the Fetch button to load products from CJ Dropshipping. You can see your CJ account is now linked. You can search the items you want to sell too. Use pricing rules to define your profit margin. The system will automatically calculate selling prices based on your settings. When you find a product you want to sell, click Preview and Import. Review the title, category, destination country, and pricing. Then click Confirm Import. Go to All Items from the sidebar menu. Here you'll find all imported products. That's it. Your store is now connected to CJ Dropshipping and ready to start selling on TAGOJA Marketplace. Start importing products and grow your online business today.